Hi, this is Deb from BusinessBuildingShortcuts.com. I want to show you a really cool little site I found that has icons that you can use on your blog or membership site. And many of them are free, and also many of them can be used commercially, which is always a good thing. So how can you use icons? Well, here we are inside of a membership site of ours, and you can see here that we have icons that are part of the dashboard page that give people an idea of what it is that they're going to be clicking, and it adds interest to the page. So that's a common way that one can use icons. Now, another way is to add them to an actual blog post. Right in the beginning of the blog post in the upper left-hand corner, you can use them in a variety of ways as little eye catchers and to add interest to your blog posts. So first I want to show you the site. Here it is on iconarchive.com, and this is the icon set that I really like, Clean 3D Icons by My Site, My Way. You can see that they have a really nice, clean look. They're interesting, and they're all uniform. So when I start scrolling down, you can see that they all look the same. And if I used these on a membership site to indicate different areas of the site, they would look like they were created all to go together. The same would be true if I used them to indicate various categories on my blog or in other ways that I might be creatively thinking of on a website of mine. So I want to add one to this current blog post that I'm writing about icons. So I've been looking around in here, and they have a pretty nice smiley face icon. There it is. See it right here? So when I hover over this, you can see that I can download it as an icon, an ICNS, or a PNG file. I want to download it as a PNG, so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open it up, and now I can right-click and go to Save Image As. You see I've already downloaded it here, but I'm going to name it again. So let me name it Smiley Face 2 PNG so we know which one it is, and I know where I'm saving it, in what file. So now it's saved it, so I'm going to go over here to my blog post. And here I am in my blog post inside of Business Building Shortcuts, and I have written a blog post about this site, and I want to put that icon right here in the beginning. So I'm going to put my cursor right at the beginning of the post where I want my image or my icon. I'm going to click on Upload Insert. Now I want to browse to that, and it was Smiley Face 2. So I'm going to import it, upload it. And there it is, smiling at me. That's good. It's always good when it looks like what it's supposed to be. And then for alt text, I want it to say Website Icons. And I could put a caption and description, but for right now I'm not going to. I want it to be on the left, meaning that it's justified around it. I'm going to import the full size right now, so I'm going to click on Insert into Post, and there it is. Now if I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, I could just click on it, go to this little section, and I can go into Advanced Settings, and I can change this to 150 by 150. And then I can go see what it looks like. So I'm going to update it. It still looks pretty good. So here's my post. It's all ready to go. And now it has this really cute little icon added to it. So I hope you find this site helpful. If you go into categories, this is actually an application icon, but there are many, many, many different kinds of icons in the site, and you can browse through the various sections and see what each one has to offer. Now the other thing that you need to be careful about, let me just go back to this, is to make sure that you have permission to use them the way you want to. Down here under the icons, it tells you the site, and it tells you if they're allowed for commercial usage, and then what kind of attribution you need to give them. So I would just go ahead and read that license and see how they want me to give credit to My Site, My Way or to Icon Archive for using these icons free on my site. I hope you have as much fun with them as I'm going to.